Namaskar, good morning. My name is Neena Thakkar from VRI Global Kids. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our session with prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, start prayer. Everyone speak with me. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love it's so wonderful, oh wonderful love, so high you can't get over it, so high you can't get over it, oh wonderful love, so deep you can't get under it, so deep you can't get under it. Oh, wonderful love, so wide you can't get around it. So wide you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now, everyone rub your palm. Put them on your eyes. Slowly, slowly. Open your eyes. So, feel fresh. So now revision time. 3-letter words having E sound. Having E sound. R, I, B. R, I, B. Rib. 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 Which picture is this? Rib. N, I, B. N, I, B. N, I, B. Nib. 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 Which picture is this? नीब. ये क्या है? इससे हम लिखते हैं राइट. ये नीब है. क्या कहते हैं? नीब. ब ई ब ब ई ब बीब बीब बीब. Which picture is this? Beeb. Now today we start new cluster. L E D. What is the phonic sound of L? L E D. L E D. Lead. 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 Which picture is this? Lead यानी ढक्कन. क I D. क I D. K I D. Kid. What is the phonic sound of K? K. K I D. Kid. Which picture is this? Kid. I D. What is the phonic sound of H? I D. I D. Head. Head. Which picture is this? Head यानी छुपना. ये ट्री के पीछे जो ये बच्चा है वो छुप गया है. Head. 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 So kids, yesterday what we learned? We learned capital letter Y in textbook and color the yak. And yesterday's our homework is capital letter Y in workbook, right? So today's our classwork and homework, page number 44 in English worksheet. Full page is your classwork. 3 line is your classwork and another 3 line is your homework. Page number 45 and page number 46. 3 line is your classwork and another 3 line is your homework. Capital letter Y. Okay. I am the letter Y. I am the 25th letter of English alphabet series. I look like this and this. I say my name here. I say my name Y here. I say my name Y here. Capital letter Y, small letter Y. Capital letter Y, small letter Y. Y for यान. Y for यान, यानी ये क्या है? वुल का बॉल है. Y for yes. Y for yes. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak. Yan. Look at the bottle here. Write down CW and date. Trace the letter. Trace the letter. Which Y is this? Capital letter Y. And which Y is this? Small letter Y. So, up to trace letter Y. Up to down small slanting line. Then again up to down big slanting line. Which letter is this? Capital letter Y. Up to down small slanting line. Then again up to down big slanting line. Small letter Y. Small letter Y. And Y says yeah. Y says yeah. Circle the letter capital Y, small letter y in the pictures given below. Circle the letter capital Y, small letter y in the pictures given below. Okay, which picture is this? Yes, yo-yo. This is a picture of yo-yo. So where is the capital letter Y? Yes, here, right? So circle the capital letter Y. Now which picture is this? Yo. And which picture is this? Yo. This is a picture of yo. So where is the capital letter Y? Yes, here, right? Circle the letter Y. Which picture is this? Yeah. Y for yeah. This is a picture of yeah. So where is the capital letter Y? Yes, here, right? So circle the letter Y. Now look at here. What is the first letter of yo-yo? Y. Y for yo-yo. Okay. What is the first letter of yo-yo? Y. Y for yo-yo. So circle the small letter Y. Okay. Now which picture is this? York. Y for York. And what is the first letter of York? Y. Y for York. So circle the small letter Y. Okay, which picture is this? Yeah, this is the picture of yak. And what is the first letter of yak? Y. Y for yak. So circle the letter Y. So kids, our first page is done. Trace and write the letter. Trace and write the letter. Which Y is this? Small letter Y. Which letter is this? Small letter Y. So first line we trace the small letter Y. So how to trace small letter Y? Up to down small slanting line. Then again up to down big slanting line. Okay. Now again up to down small slanting line. And again up to down big slanting line. Y says yeah. Y says yeah. Up to down small slanting line. Again up to down big slanting line. Y for yeah. Y for yeah. So our trace part is done. Now writing time. So how to write small letter Y? In between two blue lines, small slanting line. Then blue line to last line, big slanting line. Y for yo-yo. Up to down small slanting line. Then again up to down big slanting line. Y for yo-yo. Y for yeah. And Y for yo. So now look at here. Which letter is this? Yes, capital letter Y. So how to? So first line we trace the capital letter Y. So up to down slanting line. Small capital letter Y, up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Capital letter Y, and Y for yak, and Y for yo-yo, Y for yacht, Y for yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow color. So up to write capital letter Y in first three lines. So up to down small slanting line, first line, up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Y for yak, up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Which letter is this? Capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. So our class work is done. Now homework time. Homework time. So take out your English worksheet. Open page number 4444. Now write down CW and date. Look at here. Yana was playing with yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And Yana is a name. Yana was playing with yo-yo. The yo-yo flies from her hands and hits a giant yak. Yak is a animal. याना है वो किससे खेल रही थी? यो से. Who was in yacht? Y for yacht. याना है वो यो से खेल रही थी और जो याच है उसमें कौन बैठा था? याक. और जो योयो था वो कहाँ पे जाके गिरा? याक है उसके ऊपर जाके उसको लगा, उसके ऊपर गिरा. याक कहाँ पे बैठा था? याच के ऊपर. The yak asked her for food. ये जो याक है उसने याना को क्या बोला? फूड के लिए उसको बोला. She gave eggs yolk to the yak to eat. Y for yak and Y for yolk. जो याना है उसने याक को क्या दिया खाने के लिए? एग के अंदर जो योक होता है वो उसको खाने के लिए दिया. किसको? याक को. याना है वो योयो से खेल रही थी और वो जो योयो है वो खेलते खेलते कहाँ जाके गया? याक के ऊपर. और याक ने याना को क्या बोला? खाने के लिए बोला, कुछ फूड देने के लिए बोला. और याना ने उसको क्या दिया? Yolk. Y for yolk. So now open page number 4545. Open page number 4545. Write down CW and HW and write down here date. Which letter is this? Small letter Y. Okay, which letter is this? Small letter Y. So first two line we trace the small letter Y. Now how to write small letter Y? So आपको ये दोनों लाइन है वो घर पे ट्रेस कर देनी. Okay. Up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Y for yak. Up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Y for yak. Up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Y for yak. Y for yak. So which letter is this? Small letter Y. Now look at here. Write down CW and date and write down CW and HW and write down here date. Which letter is this? Capital letter Y. So first two line we trace the capital letter Y. So आपको ये दोनों लाइन वो घर पे ट्रेस कर देनी है. ओके. Now how to write capital letter Y? First line to blue line, small slanting line, then again first line to third line, big slanting line. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. So our homework is done. So now activity time. So for this activity we need ice cream stick. So take ice cream stick. Look at here. Okay, which letter is this? Yes, V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. V. V. Vegetable. Which letter is this? V. Capital letter V. V after W. So, how to write W? Up to down slanting line. Then again down to up another slanting line. Then again up to down slanting line. Then again down to up another slanting line. Which letter is this? W. W for watch. W for watch. 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 W after X. W after X. Up to down slanting line. Then again up to down another slanting line. Up to down slanting line. Then again up to down another slanting line. Which letter is this? X. Which letter is this? X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X says X. X says X. X after Y. X after Y. So, take a small ice cream sticks, then up to down small slanting line, then again up to down big slanting line. Which letter is this? Yes, letter Y. Letter Y. Y for yeah. And Y says yeah. Y says yeah. V. Which letter is this? Letter V. V after W. W after X. X after Y. V, W, X and Y. So आज हमने कौन सा लेटर किया kids? Letter Y, right? So our activity part is done. So today is our class work. Page number 44 full, page number 45 and 46 half in worksheet. And today's our homework, page number 45 and 46. Other page is your worksheet. Other page in worksheet. So please parents help your child for class work, homework and activities. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.